To allow an app to use battery in the background without restriction on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Find the required app. As the example, we will try with Gmail. To find it quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. Long tap the app icon. And then tap the app info icon. Scroll down the screen. Under usage section, tap battery. And then select unrestricted. By choosing this setting, your phone will allow the selected app, in this case Gmail, to use battery in the background without restriction. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.